you for tuning in into my channel where you find all about mixed media, art journal, collage, assemblage and anything else that sparks my interest. Hi, my name is Grob and I'm glad you are here.
Hey all, welcome back to 15-minute art journaling. It's going to be the last one on Sunday. I have to step back a little bit, 3 videos per week. Actually 4 videos because I also do the mixed media and more on Monday. It's just a little bit too much for me. There's other things in life I want to do. So I'm gonna still work on the concept of journaling 15 minutes with me, but I'm gonna intermix it with my Wednesday usual art journal sessions. So we're still gonna try to do as much as possible in 15 minutes, and I already know what I forgot. My protecting sheet. So my plan is to fill up the whole book first from this side. I don't like to work on this side, so when I'm done here on the last page I'm gonna turn around the whole thing and work from the other side. So that's gonna be a while, 15 minutes art journaling, hopefully. Okay, you can see I have all kind of stuff here already, so I'm gonna set my timer. I need my thingy a little bit close by. And where is my timer? Here we are. 15-minute start. So let's see how it works. I do have this tissue paper from another project which I'm gonna use, but it's a little bit thick. And as usual for tissue paper I'm gonna use Liquitex matte medium. That's the wrong one. I'm gonna use it anyway. It's the new one. I don't know where I did put the old one. So that's gonna cost me some precious seconds again, I guess. Oh well. So I have here one of those credit cards, gift cards, old key cards, whatever. If you don't have it, you could use a piece of cardboard instead. That works as well too. To spread around the matte medium, but I also gonna use it afterwards for the paint. I do have a butterfly here. I actually should have cut it out before, which I wanna use in the end. It is from magazine. And I'm gonna tear off whatever doesn't stick to it. So next I'm gonna need my gesso. I want to tone it down a little bit. And as I said, I'm gonna use the card for all the stuff I'm gonna do. Okay, that's enough gesso. Dry enough. I'm gonna put the paint directly onto my card and gonna spread it around a little bit on the whole page. I do have yellow somewhere. And again, I'm gonna use my card. It's not completely dry, but I also want to add a quote. That means I need a little bit of time. This is a neon pink, just to give it a little pop, and that's, by the way, Punchinella, which is actually the sequin waste. That's what's left over when they have die cut the... Ooh, that's not quite what I wanted, but I think I have to do it like that. Yeah, that's what left over when they have punched out the sequins. It did smear a bit with this Punchinella. It is enough dry that I can glue down the butterfly, and I'm gonna put it something like that, and I'm actually gonna use glue because it's a really glossy paper. Just thinking. No, I don't like it. So don't trust the glue stick really with glossy paper. So that's why I use a wet glue instead of the glue stick. So that goes here, and then I have the thingy here that's floating around since I don't know how long. I think that's gonna go here. But first I want to add the quote, which is from Warhol. I did write it down somewhere because, yeah, I tend to do typos if I don't. Where did I put it? Somewhere. Oh, here it is. Don't think about making art, just get it done. Not sure if that is dry. Now I think I'm gonna go along the edge of the butterfly. It's just so that it pops a little bit more. Can you hear it? Oh, I don't have to go here because I'm gonna cut back that. Okay. Okay, here we are, 15 minutes art journaling. It probably won't be 15 minutes for you. As usual, I'm gonna speed up some parts so that you're not getting bored. I mean, how interesting is it to watch paint dry, for example? Don't think about making art, just get it done. And just my extension, if it doesn't look neat, hey, it's in the art journal. You don't have to share it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon again. Take care. Bye.